Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the handle on your account settings on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application and now click on these three lines here, then go to the settings. Here you will find the account, then you will find the handle right here. So as you see here, you can add new handle. After you add it, click save. And that's it. That's how to add or change your change handle easy and quickly on Bluesky. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.